Hello everyone. So friend, in this lecture we'll see that how we can use BDD Mockito API to perform the exception handling. In one of our previous lecture, when we discussed about the exception handling, there we saw that when we did the testing of get total price of books, what we did was we simply stubbed that when book repository find all books is called, then throw SQL exception, and as the SQL exception was thrown, the call reached here and finally it threw the database read exception saying unable to read from database due to whatever the message which came here. So if we go to the test of this method in exception handling, so friends, here you can see that when we tested the total price of books, we stubbed that when book repository find all books is called, then throw SQL exception, which threw the SQL exception and then which followed by returning the database read exception. So friend, let's see how we can do the exception handling using the BDD Mockito API. So it's very simple. I'll just copy this and paste it below. So here I give the test name as, let's say 3. So here instead of when, then throw, BDD Mockito has methods given book repository dot find all books. So instead of then throw, it has will throw, and we give SQL exception dot class. So instead of when, then throw, in BDD Mockito API we have given will throw. So rest of the stuff is as it is. So we'll simply comment this part, and if I run the test case now, so here you can see our test case got executed successfully. So friend, in this lecture we saw that how we can perform the exception handling using the BDD Mockito API. I hope you liked this video. Thanks, have a nice day.